Every program is a process. Normally, in Python, unless you do something extra, you have one thread that is the main thread for the program. We're going to use threading to add multiple threads so we can have multiple items happening at the same time. So we are going to import the thread module. From threading, we're going to import thread built into Python. From time, we're going to import sleep. We'll see what we use sleep for in a minute. We need a flag. This is called a Boolean variable. We need a flag that's either true or false. That way we can tell the reporting thread to shut down when we're ready to quit. Well, we need to start our reporting background process, in a separate thread. So let's go down to start report. Zoop, zoop, zoop. There we are. So we're using our threading module. Our target is self.report. So this is what's going to run in our thread. We're going to call that object report thread. Report thread, we're making a daemon thread, which means that when the program closes, it shuts down. It doesn't just keep running. Then we need to start the thread. That's all the start report does. It starts the report thread. Then it runs the report. Now we need a loop, a while loop, because while self-running is true, you could also do this. The other one is a shortcut for it. While self-running is true, we're going to print the log, clear the log, and wait for 10 seconds. This is not a blocking call, which it normally would be if we only had one thread. It'd stop the whole program. We wouldn't be capturing any keystrokes. This is waiting on its own separate thread. So it's like this little diagram in the tutorial. We have one process, one thread. Here we have the main program thread, the keyboard listener thread, and now we've added the reporting thread. So now we have 3. So threads are running independently, and everybody carries on with what he needs to do. So this can wait for 5 seconds while we're still processing keystrokes. No problems there. Everything else is the same. We start the report. We start the keyboard listener, which is on its own thread. We do our capturing of the keyboard events. The report runs every 5 seconds. And that makes a nice, clean little program. And it works just fine. Give it a try. Well, let me run it. So every 5 seconds it should do something. I just have to click and type somewhere else. Let's see. It's hard to type right when you can't see it. So every 5 seconds. And if I press escape, it exits. And I can press escape anywhere. It shuts down the keylogger. There we are. Keylogger 4, Keylogger 5 coming up.